inside. It's a 3D vision, what you see inside. Please. Comes out, it doesn't work. The moment it comes out, none of these things work. It should be always in for it to work.
Good morning. Welcome to the inauguration of the robotic surgery unit in Hegde Charitable Hospital. Robotic surgery has revolutionized the management of different diseases, especially the surgical aspects, especially in the Department of Urology, Department of Oncology and Cancer Surgery, and General Surgery in particular. What robotic surgery does is precision. What we see in the eye is different from what we see in a robotic surgery unit. Precisely when we cut what is required and what is not required. Especially in cancer surgery, it is so important that every tissue which is cancerous has to be removed precisely. Say in orthopedic surgery, the angle which you cut a joint surface is quite important, so that the mobility part of it is also quite important. So is in every aspect of general surgery or in urology and prosthetic surgery, the enhancement what robotic surgery is done is remarkable. It is indeed very great that Mangalore is marching forwards in every aspect of revolution of surgery, and robotic surgery is one such unit. I hope the people of Mangalore, not only of Mangalore, but all of Karnataka and Kerala will utilize this facility for the betterment of patient care. Thank you very much.
Myself, Dr. Rajiv TP, I am the professor and head of urology. So it's a very fortunate thing that we have got a Vinci robot in our institution. The machine has been installed a month back, and we were able to do more than 20 surgeries in the last 1 month. It's a big number, and many patients has got the benefit of it, especially the procedures were done at a very discounted rate. Even when most of them are not even need to pay any amount for this excellent surgery. So this is an important milestone in our institution that we have reached at this level, and it will continue to grow further. I feel in the coming years you will see more number of robotic surgeries happening in our institution. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಿಂದ ಮಹಾಜನತೆಗೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ಕೊಠಡಿಯ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾವಿಂಚಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮುಂದುವರೆದ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ವಿಧಾನದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಹಾಗೂ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲ ಮಹಾಜನತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಸದವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಭಾವಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅತಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಈ ಯುರಾಲಜಿ ಮೂತ್ರ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ವಿಭಾಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸಾ ವಿಭಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರೋಎಂಟರಾಲಜಿ ಇಂತಹ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಕ್ಲಿಷ್ಟವಾದ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅತಿ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಮಹಾಜನತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಜನರು ಇದರ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.